Now this.
Shit.
And if the beat live, you know Lil Ju made it. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shit. Post
G O G L E Gulu gulu.
Y'all really think he look like me? Hey, Thug, everybody talking about you look like me. Look, he do not look like me, bro. He do. Oh, you straight?
You straight?
Boy, you all right?
Bro, you straight, bro? I just seen something.
You what happened to you?
I don't know. I seen something, bro. I dude or something.
You straight?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
We've got a couple of parents. They've been to Suzanne's 50th birthday bash and they're not ready for the night to end. Dad's got a few rum and cokes to take to the theatre room. Oh! Mum's whacked her head. Let's look at a replay of that. She appeared to be stable, meandering down the hallway, but when she gets to the first step, she ends up in all kinds of trouble. Her foot's like, yeah, nah, she stumbles, bam. The wall's good. It's like, I've got ya. You're drunk as a skunk, I've got ya. Essentially, it's a win, because she's on the third step. Oh! Fuck me to hell and back! Dad down! Dad down! Assistance required! Preferably not by Mum. She's stuck! She's in a vodka cruiser paralysis. It's okay, Dad's making a comeback. He's up! What a fucking unit! Beast mode activated. He smashes the first step, second step, uses Mum as a pit stop, and looks down. Don't look down! You're gonna give yourself vertigo, mate. Oh, this is nice. He wants to help the missus. He reaches out to hold her hand. No! He stole her drink. Dad's turned into a prick.
Mom. Bitch, I'm getting one burn. What the fuck?
There, the suspect trying to get into somebody's property or still trying to hide, but doing a very, very poor job of it right there. LAPD coming to a stop. Oh, come on, guys, he's right there. The officer's running right by him. They're going right by him. Angie, our pilot today, talking on O2, trying to tell the officers that this suspect is right there. And again, you just saw that. Oh my goodness, I just feel so bad for those officers making their way back now. It's the blue car. There we go. Somebody's getting the information. Somebody's got to be getting the information. Keep coming around, Ange. Keep coming around. Keep coming around. That suspect, unbelievable. We're watching this live, and you have to understand that these officers, they don't know what the information that we know. But again, that LAPD helicopter just arriving. There you go. Some of those officers must be getting that information. There you go. There you go. And now that suspect going into custody. Wow. Wow. And they haven't seen him yet. This is unbelievable. There we go. Oh, my God.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I know. Look at that. Is that fun?
It looks like another woman. Okay, hide her. Right. Cover it up. Okay, we'll get in the closet.
Oh, hey! Hey!
Ed?
Yeah, I was really tired. What are you doing home so early? You're home early.
Yeah, I finished early, so I figured I'd just come home. See, are you not feeling?
That's awesome.
You're
I'm fine. fine.
You sure? You don't need like a Tylenol or a tea? It's weird for you to be in bed.
A tea would be great.
Why don't you come down with me? We'll just have a tea and we'll take your temperature and see how you're doing.
That sounds really nice. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Why don't you go ahead of me, and I'll meet you down there. I just need you to I just really need you to
What is going on? Who's
What do you
in this
mean?
bed?
What are you talking about? It's nothing. See, it's just a.
Daddy don't know mama's getting hot. Got her bills to drop.
Are the rainbow, skies are blue.
Penelope, do you have a second song? Do you have a second? Do you have a second song?
What is it? Stop it, Louis.
What is the song?
Fields of
Oh yeah,
Gold.
please. I love that song. I love it. I don't know what's happening today, Penelope.
very bad.
Penelope, sing to me, okay? No, just look at me, okay?
That's awful.
What is the problem? Okay.
Okay, we'll start
Right, here we
again.
go.
Okay.
It's a sad song.
What? Are you okay?
That one is mad. Go die, dear. That's all I'm now.
What for attack? Like they attacked you. No bullshit. What's going on for shut the door? She will.
Free, hold this bottle down. Or I'll hold the bottle down, you pull. I don't think I did it right.
Oh,
You were pulling it?
No?
No, that was too high.
Well, you're okay though. You didn't crash,
Well, it made my tummy go all sticky.
did it? It's a bit bouncy, wasn't it?
Yes. You stay up there.
I'll wait here. Okay. Crap.
Bought a
Pelo amor de Deus, bicho. Eu pisei no pé. Agora o $20.
What's going on, man? How you doing?
Hi, NBA. I think we found our guy.
Here it is. It's Ryan Bain with the ball for the championship. 3, 2, 1. He got it off. Oh, and they lose. Oh, some time left. He shoots it again. Oh, and they lose. How unfortunate. Oh, he still got. There's 1 second left. Oh, he shoots it. Oh, he wins the game.
Playing a game of whack fuck here. Whack.